Hello guys, I am Andrea from Cuore di Cioccolato. Today is 11 years and 17 days that I'm trying to keep this job, this passion, be a YouTuber. Yes, it's 4035 days that I posted video every week. I try to make this less dramatic because today I'm doing this video. There was not a project because very soon we will make the live streaming with l'uomo di casa, so my mind was to make some funny very soon with him, but because especially on the Italian channel, in Italy we like to complain about everything. Many are complaining about how I manage the channel, and also here on the English channel many are complaining that I'm using AI. On the Italian channel they told me, we like the old Cuore di Cioccolato, you are changing, why this is not good, why you are showing different product in your channel, we like when you are making pizza with a flower pot and with a stone. Yes. This is why, or some people, now I'll show you the why. Some people also say, you are more focused on numbers than on your passion. Okay, let's see some numbers. So what I show now is the Italian channel, because my focus was the Italian channel. So I don't want to show you my income also on the English channel. That is a little bit more, because if not, people that will meet me will give me some money, please buy the food for yourself. So after 12 years, almost more than 12 years, almost 13, on the Italian channel, posting video every week. At the beginning we post 2 videos a week. This is my income, because with the app of YouTube you can see. Last 28 days, your entrance of the month of July will be $205. On that I pay also the tax, by the way, so will be less. So why you are showing some product on your channel? Because if I want to survive, I need it. Plus, this machine is $700. I cannot buy it because I need to work almost 4 months to buy only the machine. So when you ask me, please can you show us how to make a lager? If you want to make a lager, you need something like that. You don't want to buy this, you need to buy another one. So when the company asks me, if we send you for free, can you show in the video? Yes, because instead of buy it, now I have it. I can show you how to make Italian peas or another lager beer, because in Italy at the moment in the summer we have 30 Celsius degree. When I go back to Thailand we have the same temperature, so when I make the beer it's too high. The best temperature is 21 Celsius degree. So if you want to make the best beer, you need to try to follow that temperature. I make also with other temperature, because for me it's still good. But people complain, Andrea is very ugly, Andrea teach something wrong, is stupid, and so on, is smelling, the beer is awful, because something wrong. If I take the right tools, people complain, you use the right tools, why you don't still making stuff with the plastic? And when I use the plastic is dangerous, you need to use the glass, and so on. So I don't care about if people complain, because I like to make experiment and share with you. At the end, I like it to do it. Sometimes my wife told me, maybe it's the time to change a job. Probably she's right, no more for the money, but because she see me fighting with the result. So when you do something and nobody cares, after a while you give up. So this is the situation. So if you will see a product on my channel, someone because I need it, someone because I need also to keep on the channel. For example, I make the prosciutto, I need to buy also the slicer. They send me for free if I show you in the video. What's the point to buy it and show you another one that I bought? Or now in Italy is the summer, so I ask, can you send me the ice cream machine? I show you the video. If I want to do ice cream with another machine that I bought, will be the same. I need an ice cream machine. I show you many years ago, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, how to make ice cream in the old-fashioned way with ice and salt. Very few people watch it in compared to the people that are subscribed to the channel. And if you want to make the ice cream, you will use the machine. I'm sure about it, because you can make old-fashioned style maybe 1 time, 2 times a year because you're in holiday, or because the kids want to make an experiment, or you want to do something funny, smart with them. Yes, but when you want to make the ice cream, you will use the machine. Or the pot for the beer. I always use pot that I have at home, but some people ask me, do you know a system all-in-one to use it? They send me, I show you a different one, are using that system, and write me why you are not using the system anymore. When I use it, people write me why you are using this system instead of the normal pot. So guys, I will do, to make someone happy, I need to do something with one tool, some other things with other tools. So please, if I make also a picture with the AI, because save me time, and also because if it's more bright with the name, with some title, with some words, people will click it. This is why YouTube also encouraged me to use it, these tools. Also, they can make it now for me. So the problem is not that Andrea from Cuoredicioccolato changed, is the YouTube and system that changed. So when you have 10 minutes before, you were watching how to make sun-dried tomatoes, for example. Now you are waiting your wife shopping outside from the supermarket. You have 10 minutes. Instead of watching my video because it's too long, you watch a short. Instead of one video 10 minutes, you will watch 20 video or 30 seconds. So what's happened to my channel? And probably in the future I need to close it if something don't change again. It's not about money, about satisfaction. So I do this also because I like it, no? We say before. Let's see some number. So I make the video of carbonara in a raviolo. How many people watch it? 4,100. I make cheese. The easiest way that you can make it, because I make the queso fresco, the Mexican cheese. 4,100. And remember that on the channel there is almost 500,000 people that follow in the channel. I make the beer, fortunately 23,000, thank you guys. About botulism, 10,000. So it's not about money and number. Let's see, I make a cake. We have 500,000 people on the channel. Let's divide it for 50 slices. So you make this cake, you put on the table. How many slices? Remember that the cake is cut in 50 slices. 1 slice is 1 time, because it's 10,000 view. The other time is only 4,000, so less than half slices. So 1 week I make a cake, the next week I make a cheesecake, the other week I make a quiche, and nobody is eating it. You will keep making cake? No. It's better if you go on the seaside and relax. Or if you go walk in the field, it's more relaxing because after that you spend hour to make research, hour to record the video, hours to edit in the video, another hour only to post the video, put the thumbnail, all the word that you need to put on YouTube. And after nobody watch it, I go to the sea fishing so I can relax more. Sorry for this useless video. Probably in the future, until I will not close the channel, you will see more product if they keep sending me. I am happy about it because I don't need to buy it, and also they support in some way little bit the channel, so I can show you how to make the wine with the machine and also how to make the wine with the feet. But if I keep going only with the feet, I will close the channel and everything is gone. Bye bye. Thank you guys for your support.